Now we need to work on login page. So let's go to registration index.tsx and let me just select all and copy. And let's go to login index, and here I'm going to paste it, the code which I've copied. We need to just rename the registration page to login page. And let's go down here, and here I'm going to replace it with the login page. And here we need login. Save this, and yeah, this is correct. Don't have an account. Click on registration. This is fine. Now what else? Okay, so the first form field we don't require because name we don't require. We need email. Okay, so let me just remove this. And if I go to registration page, here the input placeholder should be name, right? So name. Save this file. Let's go back to login page. I think this is done. Let's go back here. So this was the registration page, and if I click on login, so it will take me to login, but here here I need login. Create an account to get started with our service. This is not the correct message. Welcome back, please log into account. Yeah, this is fine. Welcome back, please log into account. Yeah, and yeah, email and password we required. And if I click on registration, it will take me to registration page. If I click on login, it will take me to login page. And if I give the email, and if I click on login, it should work. Okay, so yeah, it is giving me the email and password. Yeah, that's fine. And we also have the validation. So if I click here, so it is asking me for the email and password. So we have completed the login page.